and thank you for joining me for what is a very special program. What I am going to cover today is 8 money-making tips to build and grow your tax representation practice, right? Now, there's never been a better time to get into doing this work, right? We have bankruptcies going through the roof. We have divorces going through the roof. Foreclosures are going to pick up, and tax problems, which we already had before, are simply going to accelerate, okay? Now, if you're here, you know, who is this program for? You should be a tax professional, CPA, EA, or an attorney who wants more revenue per client, wants tax season to be less stressful, and who actually wants to work with clients who appreciate you, right? I mean, that's the problem with the 1040 business. It takes a lot of skill to do a 1040 properly. And the problem is it's been commoditized.